What is a woman? I'm kidding. That's a little bit worn out now, but I do want to talk a little bit about sex, or more specifically, the nature of attraction and how some states want to regulate the options you have to explore it. In this episode of The Fifth, we're exploring Chiles versus Salazar, the Supreme Court hearing on Colorado's conversion therapy ban, and we're going to do this by digging into why Colorado bans talk therapy but mandates surgery, why exploring trauma is illegal but affirming self-diagnosis is required, and why the same institutions that lied about OxyContin are telling you to trust them now. And if you're interested in this content, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll keep cranking them out. But first, let's talk a little bit about Pornhub. Would you look at this buffet of sex? Enough to fill any sexual appetite. Gender, race, sexual act, animated, outdoor, hospital, public buses, airplanes, you name it. And look, nothing's keeping me from clicking this link right here. Gotcha. Two things become very apparent within these sex categories. One, we are completely obsessed with personal categorization. We must define every aspect of our existence, sexual orientation, gender identity, pronouns, and place in the oppression hierarchy. Porn sites, dating sites, Facebook, friend recommendations, they all seem to agree. Break you down into a list of ingredients, box you into Tupperware containers for easy storage. Liberalism went from trying to erase categories to now creating infinite ones. LGB, LGBT, LGBTQ, LGBTQIA+. Gay or straight became all of this. Dozens of gender options. Male or female became this. He, she, they, z, zir, fe, far, bunself. I'm not making this up. Every new category demands recognition, and anyone who questions whether we need 47 gender options get labeled a bigot. Categorizations lead to judgment. Judgment leads to stereotypes, and stereotypes lead to discrimination, which was why we liberals were looking to engage in the big picture, not just the snapshots. And because if we spend too much time trying to understand the snapshots, we completely miss the point of fluidity. We miss the ability to distinguish who we were as kids compared to who we are now as adults. Our preferences change, our worldview evolves. By creating categories, we filter out the ingredients that make us who we are. Take fish sauce, for example. A strong fish odor straight out of Wuhan, back alley road in August. Oof. Never in my infinite wisdom would I have ever believed that this is the secret ingredient to the best tasting Thai curry recipes. And without it, it's just sweet and salty peanuts. Nothing special. But add this fish sauce, red pepper, coconut milk, well, it's pure magic. And here's the point. When we evaluate each ingredient in a categorized list of humanity, we remove the very essence that makes us who we are. And Colorado's been defining who we are as categorical lists now, not as human, because if we box ourselves into categories, Colorado says that it may be illegal to investigate the box we put ourselves into. And two, sexual desire is malleable. What floats your boat today might change tomorrow, and Pornhub makes it really easy to fulfill your cravings on any given day. What changes these desires? Well, that's the million-dollar question, and it's different for everyone, and in Colorado, potentially unlawful to answer it.